Oh, I forgot to do the calculation for why it's impossible that the vaccine would cause the magnetic effects that are being shown in these videos. So this is a pull force calculator for the highest grade magnet that is available, and this is the dimensions of a roughly 3 millimeter by 1 millimeter disc. And it tells you that this would have a pull force of about 2 grams. 2 grams is about the weight of a penny. So a 3 millimeter by 1 millimeter disk. Let's calculate the cubic centimeter volume of that. So that would be 0.3 centimeters. So if you the formula for the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared times length or times width. So radius would actually be 0.15 centimeters. Square that, then times it by pi, 3.14159 equals that. Then times it by the thickness, which is 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeters, times 0.1. So this is how many cubic centimeters that implant that people implant in their finger is that can lift about a penny. The density of a neodymium magnet is 7.5 grams per cubic centimeter. So multiply this by 7.5. Okay, so this is the weight of that implant. It's 53 milligrams. So this is in grams, so it'd be 53 milligrams. Now the total weight of the material in Moderna vaccine, so that's the higher dose vaccine. Pfizer vaccine is 1/3 of Moderna is 100 micrograms. So that's 500 times less than this. And I think the Pfizer vaccine is 30, so that's like 1,000 times, 1,500 times less than this. So based, if the material in the vaccine was 100% the strongest magnet known to man, there was no vaccine in it, it was just magnets, it would be 500 to 1,500 times less strong than the magnets that people are implanting to be able to do this. So you could pick up 1/500th of a penny. That would be extremely weak. And that's if 100% of the vaccine material was nothing but the strongest magnet known to man. And that's provided that all of it stays right where you inject it and it stays very close to the skin. They usually inject it a centimeter into the skin. And a centimeter away, a magnet loses about 90+% of its force. You can test it with any magnet you have. Just pull something about a centimeter away from it. It has very little pull. Compare it to how it is when you get very close to it. So basically, you would be able to pick up, if it was 100% a magnet that they injected into you, you'd be able to pick up 1/500th or 1/1000th of a penny in terms of weight of a metal. And the suggestion is that there's like a little metallic tag at the end of the molecule. So maybe like 1/100th of it is that. That would make that like 1/10,000th or 1/100,000th of a penny. So it'd be extremely weak. You would not get the effects that are being seen in these videos at all, not even remotely close. We're off by order like 5, 6, 7 orders of magnitude.